Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we learn nylon production skills. Last week we mastered manual cutting machine. Today we are taking it a little step further, which is manual sealing machine. I'll be showing you how to make use of manual sealing machine so that your bags can come out neat and strong. Stay tuned because these tips can save you time and money while making your production look professional. If you're watching my video for the first time, my name is V Word. On this channel we talk about anything related to nylon production, from the raw material to the machineries, production process, and even teach you how to market your products. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, because it helps us grow our page and so you won't miss any lesson from us. So that will now take us to manual sealing machine. You know, after cutting, you are not going to sell it like this now. It's still open. See it. It's still open. You are going to seal it now. So what are you going to do? Since you don't have automatic machine and you have used manual cutting machine and cut it, so what next? Next is a manual sealing machine. Let's move to our manual sealing machine right now so that we'll go and seal it. So guys, after cutting it with manual cutting machine, we move to the next stage, which is manual sealing machine. See, the thing is still open. It's still open. So first of all, we are going to on our switch. We on our switch, then on this one, on it. Where you on it, because this one is manual sealing machine. You don't have to wait for it to heat. It's not heating anything. You just sit down, make sure you arrange this thing, then see where I put my leg. It's this thing that makes it. It's just like those for sewing clothes. They used to do their leg like this. Your own is just like this. So this thing is element. This thing here is called element. It's this element that seal the nylon. Is this element that seal the nylon. Element you're seeing here. So here is where we set our temperature. Here. You set your temperature that is good for your nylon. So we are, this nylon is in good temperature now. See, it's no longer coming out. Let me still check it. You see, so come and see it. When you seal it like this, you see, you remove. So come and do your own. Put your leg there. Make sure your leg is there. Stand by. Yes. Then your hand will now be working. Don't be afraid of it. The thing should be afraid. Don't be afraid. It's straight. Remove. Make sure it's still low. This one, see. You did not see. See, are you seeing it? It's open. You did not see. You seal it. Don't be afraid. You are still afraid. Seal it. Don't waste time. The thing in here. Make it straight and seal it. So guys, so after the manual cutting machine, we move here. Here is the manual sealing machine. In case you don't have money to buy automatic sealing machine, don't wait till you have money to buy automatic sealing machine. You can actually start small, but just cutting machine that you just see. After cutting your machine, you now seal it like this. You now seal it. See it. You now seal it. Simple. See, this guy just came today, but he has been doing wonders here. As if he has been with us for long. He's fast learner. He's fast learner. You have to be careful so that you not see two twice. Just don't be afraid, don't shake, relax. From small small you'll be doing it fast. See, you can actually start small. After cutting automatic manual cutting machine, this is manual sealing machine. It can do the same work that the other one. It's just that this one is a little bit slow than the other one. Automatic is faster, but you can still do it. My next video, I will upload the automatic cutting machine, how to make use of it and how to operate it. Remember, we train people physical and online. So even though you are watching from far and you want to undergo the training, we can train you online and physical too. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, to always follow our lessons online. To my returning subscribers, I really appreciate. May the good Lord bless you. Bye. See you in my next video.